In this video, I'm going to show you the latest feature from Ledger Live, the crypto swap. From now on, you'll be able to swap between multiple cryptocurrencies straight from the wallet without the need of a third-party exchange. That means you'll even be able to buy and sell Bitcoin with stablecoins while keeping your funds safe in the wallet. To learn the details of this new feature, you can come here to ledger.com/swap and learn all about it. But I'm going to show you in a minute exactly how to do it in the wallet in Ledger Live. This is an exciting feature because it means you never send the funds out of your wallet. It all happens from the Ledger Live application. You don't have to send the funds to a crypto exchange. You don't have to manually withdraw and send funds to your wallet once you do your swap on a crypto exchange. Everything is done from the Ledger Live application. I'm going to show you how. However, you should note that this feature is not yet available in United States or Japan, unfortunately. The crypto swap is available through the partnership with Changely. So if you used Changely in the past, you may be familiar with this service. Normally you'll have to send your cryptocurrencies to Changely and then they will send you the coin you requested back. But now all this can be done through Ledger Live application. The swap isn't available for all the coins because there are around 6,000 cryptocurrencies available right now. But more than 50 different crypto assets are supported, and to see the full list you can click here and then on swap, and you can see all the assets available here. But let's see how it works in the application. In Ledger Live, you must be sure that you are on the latest version of the application. If you're not and you don't see the swap feature here on the sidebar, that it means you'll have to update it or download the latest version from the Ledger website. This will not be the first screen that you'll see. First, it will tell you welcome to the crypto swap, and then you'll have to check a box which basically you're agreeing for sharing your location so that Changely can comply with their anti-money laundering and KYC procedure. And after you check that box and click continue, you'll go straight to the screen. And here it tells you that you'll have to install the exchange app on your device. You have to click on go to manager. And here we are on the manager page. It already found the exchange and I have to install it. Luckily I have the exact amount of space available for this application. When that's installed, I'll go back to swap and now I'll be able to see the swap screen. And on the left side, I can select from which cryptocurrency I want to swap. Let's say I want to select Bitcoin, and then I can select from different accounts that I have in my wallet and the amount I want to send, let's say 0.1. And on the right side, I select the asset that I want to buy with my Bitcoin. Let's say in this case USDT, and I can select again on which account from my wallet I want to get this coin. And this is the amount that I will receive. So regarding the fees that you are paying with this swap feature, there's no fee, but you get a fixed price. Let's say we use a fixed rate. This is the exact amount you will receive. So for 0.1 BTC, I receive 1,178 USDT at a rate of 11,785 USDT for one Bitcoin. And this price is available for the time listed here, and it's 1 minute. And after 28 seconds, the rate will change. So it's a fixed rate. You don't pay extra fees, but this is the rate the swap happens at. But if you go on CoinGecko and check the latest price, you'll see that one Bitcoin is traded at 12,207 USDT, which means that on Ledger Live, you don't get the best possible price. And from my calculations, not only for the BTC USDT pair, but for other crypto assets as well, the rate is between 3.5 and 4%, which means by using crypto swap, you receive 3 to 4% less compared to what you would receive if you are going to sell your crypto assets on an exchange. But of course, keep in mind that this happens straight from the wallet. You don't have to create another account with a crypto exchange. Your funds never leave the hardware wallet, which is safer for you. And also when you send funds to the exchange, do the trade there, withdraw the funds back to your hardware wallet. Those actions are also subject to fees. So take that in consideration when you look at this 4% price difference, because in a lot of cases it might be worth it. You can see here that some assets are grayed out and I'm not allowed to swap them right now because it says I'll need to install the app in order to receive these coins. I need to install the Litecoin app. But what can I do now that I don't have any storage left on my wallet? Well, I have to uninstall one of the existing apps, and these are the apps that are right now on my wallet, and I need to uninstall one of these or more of these in order to make room for the Litecoin app. One thing you should know is that even if you uninstall applications from the wallet, your funds are safe, they are never lost. You only uninstall the application, not the coins. Because when it comes to cryptocurrency and hardware wallets, the device itself doesn't actually hold your coins. The coins are on the blockchain. So even if you lose your hardware wallet, even if something happens to your hardware wallet, your coins are safe on the blockchain. All you need is a recovery phrase to restore your wallet, because the coins were never on the device. So I can safely uninstall my Tezos account right now, my Tezos application. Now I made some space for Litecoin. I'll go to the application catalog, install the new app, and now I can go and swap some coins to Litecoin. If I ever want to access my Tezos again, I'll just go here, uninstall Litecoin or any other application. I can even uninstall the exchange application, go back to Tezos, install it, and after that I'll be able to access my Tezos wallet again. As you can see, my Tezos account is still here. I never lost access to it. So you are not limited to the number of applications that are installed on your wallet. You can easily uninstall and install more. You always have access to your coins. It's just frustrating that you have to switch between applications in order to make room for others. But you can have any amount of different cryptocurrencies on your Ledger Nano S. But if you need more space, then Ledger Nano X gives you more space for more applications, so you don't have to switch between apps like that. Now that I've installed the Litecoin app, I can select to swap some Ethereum to Litecoin. You can see Litecoin is available right now. It is no more grayed out. I need to create an account. Continue. I need to confirm this on my device. You can rename your newly created account here. Add account, and I added my Litecoin account successful. Close this, and I'm going to convert a very small amount of Ethereum. You can see that there are some minimal amounts, which is around 50 USD, and because of that I'm going to switch to a different pair. I decided to swap some Engine coin to Ethereum, and the minimum amount of Engine coin should be around 350. Let's see. 350, and then I select the account where I want to send the newly Ethereum to, and this is the amount I'm going to receive. Next, I'm going to click on the exchange. This is the summary of the transaction. You can see 350 Engine coin, and I will receive 0.127 Ethereum in exchange. I accept the terms and conditions and click confirm. I have to open the exchange app on my device. So if this process takes too long, it will tell you that the exchange rate expired because the price is available only for 60 seconds. So you'll have to click on retry and accept the new rate, which I'm going to do right now. I'll click on exchange. I accept the terms and conditions, confirm. And on my device are the details of the transaction, and it says right now that I have 350 Engine coins to send, and I will receive 0.127 Ethereum. And also there will be the network fee that I'll have to pay in the amount of 0.0045 Ethereum, which is 1.7 US dollars. So you'll also have to pay for the network fee when you make this transaction. So be careful that this fee is not very high, because in the past months the Ethereum network was congested and the fee were like $12, $50, even hundreds of dollars. Now that I confirmed the transaction on my device, it says that my swap operation has been sent to the network for confirmation, and it may take up to an hour before I receive my coins. I'll pause this video here and come back when the transaction was confirmed. It's been only 5 minutes, and as you can see, it's finished. The transaction is complete. If I click on it, I'll get the details. So I sent from my Engine account to my Ethereum account, and if I click on Ethereum, unfortunately the transaction doesn't show up here. It appears that because the Engine coin was also on this wallet, since it's an ERC token, it doesn't appear as one of the latest operations. But I went on Etherscan and checked the transaction there, and it appears that the transaction was successful in the first 5 minutes. Actually, the funds were sent from Binance, so Changely has a Binance account and sent me funds from there. Also, they paid the transaction fee from Binance to my wallet, and I only paid the transaction fee when I created the swap transaction in my Ledger Live application. So the 3 to 4% in the price difference when you use the crypto swap also includes the transaction fee for you to receive these funds. If you still don't know the best place to buy cryptocurrency from with a debit or credit card, be sure to check the video that I'm posting on the screen right now, and I'll see you there.